Today we have a video from Crime Time Cam, and the title of the video is entitled "Baby Mama Pushes No Nonsense Cop Way Too Far."
2025, officers responded to a call of a woman stealing her ex-boyfriend's phone.
Which one of y'all called?
You called. Me? But she came to my house and told me that he said, because they just had left.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, she pulled.
Where's your house?
Right here.
Okay, this is your house.
And she pulled after they left. It wasn't like 5 minutes at the most.
Yeah.
She come back. I spoke to her already. Basically, she comes over, she picks the phone up, she leaves again with it, and she's basically saying she's not gonna give it back once it's passcode and everything else to it. So it's pettiness is what it is.
Yeah, we not even together. We got a child together.
So I think he finally has made contact with her on the phone, and I know that you said all you wanted your phone back, right?
I wanted my phone.
Okay, so here's the deal.
I just talked to her. She says she's in Thomaston, but she's coming back up here to bring you the phone. Do you want to wait to see if she brings the
Lost
phone?
so much. I ain't got no trouble but to wait.
Okay, well, I'm asking you, because like she's saying, if we go the route of putting it as a stolen item, putting warrants on it, that doesn't mean you're going to get the phone back. Now you got family violence warrants there going forward. Okay, that's a big thing.
Well,
you tell us what you want to do. Well, it's not even family violence really, I don't think, for this.
y'all don't live together, do you? Well, do y'all share a child together?
Yes, ma'am.
But it's a theft, though.
yeah.
It's not a...
Yeah, I live in Griffin. She live in Thompson.
So what do you want to do? Do you want to wait?
I
See if she brings it?
try to wait. Give her a chance. I want one of y'all personal number too, so y'all can. Cause she don't borrow my phone.
No, you call 911. They'll get a hold of us that way. Yeah,
Well, we're just
use they're flip flopping.
what we're trying to reiterate to you though is like if once it's all said and done, and if we go forth and we leave here and we take these warrants, we are not dropping the warrants. If she comes back 3 hours later and says, "Here, baby, here's your phone," that doesn't mean we're going to drop the warrants. The warrant is still going to be out for her arrest, and she's still going to go to Spalding County Jail when we find her, or when Thompson goes and picks her up. I don't know, like he was saying, if that's really the route you want to go, but if it is, a decision needs to be made.
I talked to the phone. It sounded like you more or less just want your phone back.
Yeah.
Now, we can't force her to do anything like that.
Yeah.
However,
Let me make a phone call. Tell her, you don't bring my phone and wait, brother. You don't have to go, bro.
So,
Down the road, so.
what led us to her taking the phone? Did you witness it all?
I wouldn't.
Okay, so you tell me what happened.
Okay. I seen her at the auto zone because she called me earlier and said her brakes were messing up. She was already in the area.
Yeah.
So I seen her at the auto zone. I said, I'm sitting over here at Grandma's house. Come over here and chill with me. And she was like, all right, I'm finna come soon. I get done paying for the brakes or whatever. Mm-hmm. And when she got here, I was like, take me to the store. That's what I got. You got cameras at the store. Her dropping me off at the store. Mm-hmm. But I left my phone. I was sitting in the car with her on the phone with my partner. Mm-hmm. And I was like, my phone about to die. I'm finna put it on the charge and I'm finna go to the store.
Yeah.
That's how she knew my phone was in the house. So when I got to the store and she dropped me off, she left. But when I came back to see what my phone said on the charger, it was gone. Mm-hmm. And I was asking them like, where my phone at? And they were like, she came and got it, said that you said, give it to her, which I never said.
Did you see her actually physically take the phone?
Yeah, I gave it to her.
Y'all got any more questions for me?
Well, that's it. I just want.
So let me do a little recap, make sure I got y'all's story straight. So she was over at AutoZone. You was like, hey, you want to come chill? She came over here. You asked her to go drop you off at the store. You went and put your phone on the charger on the inside. Got back in the car. Y'all went to the store. She dropped you off at the store. She came back and told you. He said, hey, grab my phone. So you went inside, got the phone off charge, and gave her the phone. And she went back to Thompson. All right, cool.
So if I would have had my phone, I probably should have never came back.
Yeah.
She just know what he said in the car. Let me go charge my phone.
Phone, yeah.
And she know he didn't have a phone.
Yeah.
So when she dropped him off, she came right back.
Yeah. All right, well, yeah, no problem. Hey, how are you?
Good, how are you?
I'm Officer Hart. 4048 dispatch. Will you copy at 27 out of Georgia? 061905175.
Now, what's the chances of that? The lady that responded to the initial incident is the one that tracked down this lady. Oh, she good, boy. She good. But, we got typical baby mama stuff going on right here. Nothing really out of the ordinary. Typical baby mama stuff. Wanna be controlling and possessive over things and stuff. They probably they not together, but he probably, still They probably still intertwining with each other, okay, every now and then or whatever. So, you know, she get a little possessive every now and then. That's it. That's all it is. It's, you know, regular stuff, regular day dealing with baby mama.
What else put over for? I'll tell you in a minute.
You tell me in a minute? What did I
You're Miss Michaela, correct?
do? Yes.
Yeah, go ahead and step up.
I just gave him his phone.
It doesn't matter.
Cedric, call my mama. Call my mama.
Hey, go ahead and step it up.
No, I just
Get out of the car.
I just gave him his phone. They told me that I didn't have an active warrant. Cedric!
Get out of the car.
Let me get somebody to call my mama. I'm pregnant.
You can call him. Hey, you can call him in a minute. Get out the car.
Okay.
Get out the car or you're gonna get tased.
Cedric, Tip, call my mama, bro. They just put me over. I just went to jail for escape phone. Call my mama.
Put your hand behind your back. Put your hand behind your back.
Why is I'm going to jail? You're not telling me.
I done told you, girl. You knew what it was for.
He told me that I wasn't going. Cedric, call my mama. Cedric,
Girl,
call my mama.
stop.
What is you tasing me for? What am I
No,
going
I'm
to jail
not
for?
tasing you. 48 dispatch, I got 1295.
I'm pregnant. Stop.
I don't care. I'm not hurting you. You acting a fool on the side of the road.
Why would he send me to jail for this shit? What boy?
No. Why would you steal his phone? Okay. And now you want to give it back to him when you feel like giving it back to him. That's his property. Not why are you going to jail for this? Why did you take it in the first place? Stop being a psychopath.
You drive my car around there and put it in the car, please.
40, 10-4.
I'm 10-4. Will you give me a read back on that 27?
Can you please call my mama? Y'all just arrested me.
I'm arresting you for theft by taking. Take a seat.
He took my phone and broke it.
Take a seat. Take a seat. Get in the car.
I want to see the warrant. I want to see the warrant.
Get in the car.
I want to see the warrant. I want to see the warrant. No, I want to see the warrant. Move that. Touch me. I want to see the warrant. I'm pregnant. Move, bro.
Get in the car.
Sir, can I see the warrant?
Get in the car.
Can I see the warrant?
Get in the fucking car.
Prisoner.
Get in the fucking car.
Hey, do not kick me.
No, because y'all put your hands on y'all can't do that.
Felony obstruction.
Executor County.
I don't know. I didn't get a chance. No, nobody's going near the car. If you come any further, you'll go to jail for obstruction. I'm not doing this.
Man, where the hell this at? I love her accent. I ain't gonna lie. I ain't doing this. You know, that little country accent. I like that shit. Hold up. Okay, Miss Officer.
They told me that I didn't have a warrant as a proof. Can I please see the warrant?
Give me just a second.
Can I please see the warrant, man?
You've kicked me? Your days of speaking are over.
Can I please see the warrant?
Yeah, I'm good. She kicked me, but now she's got a felony.
And me.
And you, so that's 2 felonies.
Excuse me. Excuse me, sir. Mr. Town. Mr. Town. Can I please? Mr. Town.
Correction, caller that I've met the subject.
Y'all ain't even showing me a warrant.
Yeah, because it just happened. He said he wanted to press charges.
He just told me that he did not press charges, ma'am. Can I please see the warrant, please? That's all I'm asking to see the warrant. Because I just got
Ma'am, let me ask you a question. Did you assault either of these officers?
No, they was pushing me, sir, and I'm pregnant. She was pushing me, and
Okay.
he refused.
She refused to get in the car.
Oh, I'm clear. Okay. Well,
Mr. Town.
regardless of anything at this point, whenever you put your hands on or your feet on officers, now you catch charges for that. So regardless of all this, now you're going to catch charges for assaulting these 2 officers.
So what we're not going to do is have a big group of people keep walking up. How can I help you? You're the one with your phone stolen.
Oh, yeah, I got it back.
Okay, well, you already told us you wanted to press charges, so that's what we're doing. And the car is getting impounded, so.
Illegal.
Girl, if you will shut up for 2 seconds, I will explain it to you. But if you interrupt me, I'm not going to explain it to you. Now, do you want to know?
Yes, ma'am, I do.
Okay. Are you going to interrupt me?
No, I'm not.
Okay.
I ain't gonna lie. If I listen. Listen. If I was this officer's man, I would get her mad on purpose. I would do little shit to get her mad on purpose. Cause when she mad and that accent come out, I just want to hear that. That's all. I would get her mad on purpose. I ain't gonna lie. But they'll be going smooth. I just pick a little fight. Oh man, but no. But in all seriousness, that's all funny and stuff. But in all seriousness, though, she explained it to him initially when they first met. You know, hey, do you really want to pursue this? Because it seems like you just want to get your phone back. So if you really want to pursue it and press charges, just because if she come back 3 hours later and give you your phone, the warrant is still going to stand. They said that before. So I don't know why he walking up acting surprised. Don't you got your whole crew out there. They already explained this to you. They tried to tell you, pretty much, y'all might just want to work this out between yourselves, because if we get involved and you want to press charges, regardless of the fact, if you get it back, she's still going to jail. So don't act surprised now.
Your baby daddy, correct? That's who it is. He called, said you stole his cell phone. There was a witness to this that also said you stole his cell phone. He advised us multiple times he wanted to press charges. Matter of fact, he's the one that snitched on what your car looked like and everything, girl. So, he told us he wanted to press charges. That's what we're doing. Well, you gotta get out.
Stop.
Don't. I'm not gonna touch you. You don't have to do that. Stop.
You're gonna stop banging your head.
No.
I'm protecting you from hurting yourself further.
Please just stop. Just let me move.
No, ma'am.
Please just stop. This is racism. Stop, sir. I'm not hurting myself. Just leave me alone. Just stop. I'm not going to hit my head. Just leave me alone.
Nope.
I'm pregnant. Stop. Like, you cannot touch me. Stop.
I can and I'm going to, ma'am. Sit still.
No.
Be still.
No. Leave me alone. Y'all are being racist. Stop.
Ma'am, stop. She tried to bite me.
I'm not going to bite you. I'm trying to let you from my head.
Well, now we're going to be uncomfortable because you're not going to bite me.
I'm not going to bite you.
Hey, y'all may want to spit guard. She's trying to bite.
Oh my God, you don't make up anything. I'm not going to bite you. Move.
She's trying to hook herself in the seatbelt. Grab that seatbelt. Hey, deputy, grab that seatbelt, please. Don't let her kick you. She's already kicked two of our officers.
I'm not going to kick him because he's black. Stupid.
Oh, so you're admitting to a hate crime then? Okay. Hey.
Because he
She said that she won't kick him because he's black.
Why would I respect
So she kicked you because of that. Make sure that goes in the report.
Oh my God, put it all in the report. I don't give a
All right.
Don't gotta carry me. I'm going in there. Come on. I can walk. We got you. We got you. What you doing?
The woman was charged with battery on law enforcement, theft, and resisting arrest. Thanks for watching today's video.
Just because you don't get your way doesn't mean that it's always a race thing, man. God damn. It's like, damn, why do we always gotta revert to that? I don't get it. Are there instances where are there prejudiced people in the world? Yes. Both ways. Are there blacks that hate whites? Yes. Are there whites that hate blacks? Yes. You know, it is what it is. That's just the reality of the situation. But not everything applies to that. So you can't just throw a blank statement out there and just throw that out there. Like, oh, stop banging your head. I'm holding your head so that way you don't harm yourself. Oh, you're racist. Like, do you even hear yourself? Like, does that even sound right? Just unbelievable. I'm glad you made it to the end of the video. If you want to support the channel, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and hype the video. Those are all free things to do. If you're looking for some paid options, you can send a super thanks, a super sticker, or look in the description section where you will see links to our memberships, YouTube membership, and our Patreon. And I'm gonna catch you in the next video. Thanks for your support.